Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the upcoming launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus. This is about to launch in global on August month. Since every year Samsung will launch a Galaxy Note series in the August month. It's an upgrade of the last year launch of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now recently Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus first look render design has been revealed by the famous tipster OnLeaks on behalf of the Pic2.com. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus as comes with the huge 6.9-inch full HD plus display, and this display is based on the Super AMOLED panel. Also this time the display might be comes with the 2K QHD plus 120Hz screen refresh rate, and similarly this display has comes with the design of the punch hole design. However, Samsung is earlier planned for the under screen camera technology, but it's still not ready. So Samsung goes for the predecessor design like a center punch hole design for housing the front cameras. Then based on the first look renders, actually the display is narrower, but the bezels are curved at the sides and all around the corners. And likewise in terms of camera, we didn't know any information like what is the camera specs and other features related to the camera, but it might comes with the 10 megapixel for the front camera, and on the rear side based on the first look renders, it equipped with the quad camera setup, and these quad cameras as might be comes with a primary camera, ultra wide angle lens, and a periscopic telephoto lens, and a depth sensor. And these are all the might be a camera sensors included in the quad camera setup. And likewise in terms of camera department, this time Samsung will not bring the 100x space zoom as like recent launch of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, because the 100x space zoom is not that much clear pixel resolution on zooming. So Samsung instead brings the 50x to 60x of zooming feature using the periscopic lens. Then on the physical overview based on the first look renders, on the sides, on the left side it doesn't located anything, and on the right side it comes with the volume rockers key and the power on off button, and on the bottom side here has comes with some changes like the S Pen support has been moved from the right to the left side, and apart from that USB Type-C port, the primary microphone and speaker grill is located at the bottom side, and on the top side a secondary microphone and the SIM card slot is located. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus has comes with a dimension of 165mm into 77.2mm into 7.6mm of depth size, and it is 2.7mm taller than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and it might be powers with a 4500 mAh of battery, and it supports 45 watts of fast charging support. And these are all the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus specs and features that we are know so far, and more details will be revealed soon as we have any intel about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus in the upcoming days. So that's all about this video guys. Hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe below, and thanks for watching this video guys.